Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we bet on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this really nice Fibonacci bounce. If we get this Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure, that's going to prove to me that the Euro dollar is back into the downtrend, potentially on the higher time frames. But we have to keep in mind the trend is up on the weekly, the trend is up on the daily. So if this does make a higher low, if it does make a higher low, and if it breaks structure, then it could end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend, which I definitely would not rule that out as a possibility. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are watching our fib levels. Obviously, it's a very deep correction, but if it does decide to respect one of these last couple fib levels, if it decides to go up and give us a break of structure, especially this break of structure, this is the one that's really going to tell us it's going back up, then I definitely would go long if I start seeing these breaks of structure. If it doesn't break structure and it just pushes down, doesn't really have much of a reaction, maybe just a little pullback and just keeps on pushing down, it eventually breaks this 4 hour time frame structure. That's what's going to prove to me that the higher time frames really have ended the correction and that we really are into a much longer term move to the downside. So hopefully today we'll be able to determine whether this really is going down or whether this move right here is just a pullback to this move up or not. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.